Why is India's youth support CJP? India's most viral political moment right now is literally called Cockroach Janata Party, and the craziest part is it all starts from an insult. During a court hearing, unemployed youth and online critics were compared to cockroaches and parasites. But instead of getting offended, Gen Z turned the insult into a movement. Now CGP talks about unemployment, paper leaks, NEET issues, and youth frustration. So tell me honestly, is CGP just a meme or the voice of an entire generation?